Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mrs. Walder. I just wanted to start with a couple of things to help set up everything for our geography class. As you know, everything is going to be online, and that means that you're going to need to have easy access to the school website. So here's what you need to do first. We need to get My Classroom website set up for you. So if I go to the school homepage, high school, middle school, staff website and contact info, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and find the link to my Google site. Should pull up here in just a minute. And you'll see this is my home page. On the left-hand side is the geography page. Please click on that. And this is where you're going to be functioning most of the time. At the top now, please highlight the whole website and pull it down into your bookmarks bar. Then you will have a bookmark so that you can easily access all of the units that you need to for the day. On our classroom website, you will see something really important at first, and that is our calendar. You'll see all of your due dates listed on this calendar, and those due dates are pretty set in stone, so make sure that you're following the calendar at all times. The next thing that I need you to do is go over to Course Contract. Carefully read through all the classroom rules and policies before, and also read through the contract. Do not sign the contract until you have all of your questions answered. When you are done, hit submit. After everybody has hit submit, please go over to your Google Drive. In your Google Drive, you will see in your Shared with Me will be a folder that says Geography 7S. And that folder, which I don't have one right here, but I'm going to pull this one as an example over. I'm going to pull this Friends of Rachel one into Google Drive. You need to pull the one that says Geography 7S-13 into your My Drive. You'll see here I have the Geography 7F13 already in my Google Drive. Go ahead and open that up, and you'll see a geography folder already listed for you. Open that one up and create a new folder. That folder will be Geography Unit 1, and hit Create and Share. You will do this for every geography unit. This is how you will hand all your papers in to me. So you will have one that says Geography Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After you've created your Geography Unit 1 folder and put it in your Geography 7S-1314, go ahead and create your first document. I will hit Create and Share. And this document now is already within that folder. So make sure every document that you create is put in that folder. Next, in the upper left-hand corner, when you rename a document, please rename it with what the assignment is. For example, one of your first assignments is going to be Geography Cartoon. And now you need to double check that it is in the correct folder. Yours should say Geography 7S-1314. If it is not, click on Organize and make sure that it gets put into the correct folder. Nothing will be graded if it's not put in the correct folder. I want to remind you that as long as you turn in your information more than 24 hours prior to the final project being due or final assignments being due, you can receive feedback. Make sure that if you get that feedback, that you make those changes because it can help to improve your grade. The only things that you cannot redo are the quizzes and the assessments. But remember, when you're taking the quizzes and the assessments, or completing the assessments, you do have the opportunity to use all of the resources in front of you. So it's kind of like everything is open book. And now that you have your folders created within your Geography 7S 1314 folder, let's take a peek at the first unit. When you go to the website, you'll see that you can navigate the website from the welcome to your course contract, your intro unit, and then the remainder of the units from either the top of your screen or the left-hand side of your screen. So your first unit has you watching 2 videos at the beginning, talking a little bit about what is geography, and then comes your first assignment. What you'll need to do is click on Assignment 1, and you'll see that there's a hyperlink, Geography Cartoon, and Questions, or you can also read the graphic novel online here. This explains to you what exactly to do when you click on the Geography Cartoon. There's an entire cartoon here for you to read. You can zoom in so you can read it better. When you're done, close out. Copy the questions, and you can see here it says in your own words using complete sentences, and you will hand that in via your Geography Unit 1 folder. When you're done, you have assignment 2. You read a geography article that I'm going to send you to. When you are completed reading the article, you go and take the quiz. As this is a quiz, you won't be able to redo it, so make sure that you read very carefully what it is. Next, you have assignment 3, worth 25 points. Assignment 4 will require you to create an account at thinglink.com and label the following places on a projection map. Make sure you follow those directions specifically, and when you are done, write your name and the URL to your public ThingLink right here. Next, you have a blog assignment that you need to do. Finally, you're going to watch an Earth Grids video, take some notes, and put those notes into your Geography Unit 1 folder. Finally, your assessment for this first unit is listed at the bottom. Worth 40 points, you are going to be creating a multimedia presentation or a career video on YouTube. You can see here where you can record yourself using my webcam, or you can go right and just edit your video by uploading videos that you've made at other places. So here's your grading criteria. Everything is listed right here. And when you're done, you're going to put the link right here. If you have any questions or want to try something different, let me know. Because if you go above and beyond, there is always the opportunity to earn a couple more points than just the suggested 40 points. Now, when I look at the very bottom, you'll see that there's 100 points possible for the unit. Okay, if you have any questions, make sure to let us know. And remember that even if I'm not there in the room, I'm always available via email, and I will try to answer anything that I can. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.